Hey, if you're wondering if Exitus Elite is still valid in 2026, me and my business partner Eric here, we're going to give you an overview. Now, we're going to start by showing you what we've done, right? And I bear in mind before I show you actual results, I'm just a regular guy from the UK, right? I used to stack shelves in a supermarket. I've sold made-to-measure blinds, right? And Eric, tell them about you, regular guy from the US. You're
Yeah, I used to, it's crazy. I used to sell used office equipment.
wow.
How exciting is that? Postage meters and all that stuff. So, yeah, that's what I did before we started marketing online. So go ahead, Paul.
So you got a shelf stacker from the UK and a second-hand office equipment guy from the US that somehow found each other online and did this. So to put it in context for you, we actually did it was 124,000 in 4 months. And I want to kind of just address like the elephant in the room. It's like, well, we did this, a few years ago, that 124. Why didn't you stay with it? Well, I'm just going to be upfront and frank with you, right? The the owner is a great guy and he really works hard. He even learnt to program the freaking site himself so he can do his own updates, right? And at the time when we were making that good money, I'll be frank, he was not against social media, but he said, no, you don't want to do that. You want a steady system. And he was buying leads and he was setting up a call center that would call out to these leads. Well, I don't know what the combination was, but basically that just didn't work. I don't think the leads were very good, were they, Eric? It was,
No,
so.
we were having better success just with our social
Yeah.
media marketing at that time. Yeah.
So we kind of found other projects and we worked back. But in 2026, Exitus Elite is back. He's updated the back office, he's learned to program. So what we're going to do is we're just going to walk you through and we'll give you a few hints on how we did it. And if you stay to the end, right, and we'll try and do it in what, 10 minutes? If you stay to the end, we're going to give you a special offer, right, to help you get going and learn from us so you can do what we did. So I've got to share the screen again. There's always that awkward moment when you share the screen because I don't like doing editing. Right. So um, first of all, what is Exitus Elite? So Exitus Elite is really about this thing here, the Genesis library. There are a few levels you can come in at, and each level has a corresponding, let's call it knowledge pack, right? And what's nice about it, each one has video and audio. So you can listen to these in the car, in the shower, while you're going about your daily business, whatever. And they're all designed to kind of, help gear you up to the next step. So minimum buy-in is $100. Then the next level is $250. Each one of those has its own license fee. Now, Eric, why don't you tell them why we think, and we can talk about the other thing, but why don't we actually think the 100 and the $250 level is worth it? Thinking of
Well,
HBA.
well, we have another system, obviously, that is a lower ticket that we think is designed better for a lower ticket and buy-in like that. So we typically will push people toward that system. And we focus really on this system at the G1000 and the G2000 levels, and we'll talk about that.
So it's not that these are bad. Don't get me wrong, they're not bad. But why are you doing this? You're not doing it really, to be honest, to buy a training course. You're buying it so you've got the reseller license to go and make an online income. So I won't labor over these, and they are really good stuff. I mean, I think it's in the G1000. There's something in there about how to make $100,000 in network marketing, and it is bang on. It is really good. So it is incredibly valuable. One of those videos in there, Jack Zufelt at the $1,000 level, that really helped me with mindset, and that's one of the things that I'll always say helped me make it online. So that one video has been worth probably like tens of thousands to me personally. So that's what it is. There's a license fee you pay to Exitus. Okay, that enables you to sell these products yourself. But then, how do we get paid, Eric? Because I know this is the thing that you love.
Well, it is. And I think there's many multiple things that make this opportunity attractive, but one of the major one is how we get paid. First of all, we get paid 100% commission. So when people buy into, let's say a G1000, right, they're going to pay the licensing fee, the one-time licensing fee to the company. But that $1,000, let's say the G1000, that comes directly to you. It doesn't go through the company. You don't have to wait a week, 2 weeks. It's instant, guys, and it's 100%. So someone comes in at that $1,000 level, you're going to get $1,000 commission sent to you instantly. And I've been marketing online a long time. I used to sell office equipment. Well, when I sold a piece of equipment, Not only did I have to get the contract signed, then I had to wait for the team, to go out and install the contract. And then we usually gave the customer a couple of week reprieve, in case they wanted to return the equipment. So if I sold a piece of equipment today, it could be sometimes 45, 60 days before I ever got my commission on that. Okay. So I love the fact that if a sale happens right now, I get paid right now. Go ahead, Paul.
Okay, fantastic. So as you saw, there were a multitude of ways you can get paid in the way you like to get paid. There are so how do you get people to your system? Okay, well, first of all, they have a whole marketing suite. And these lead capture pages are all done for you. It's what's called turnkey. So basically, you can head to one of our links. Let me just check something over here. So you basically would choose which lead capture page you would like. So let's just look at this one. Can you preview it? Here you go. Keep everything you earn, 100% commissions, right? Very attractive. That's what got us attracted a few years ago. So people fill in their name, email address, optional phone number. Then the potential customer, will get followed up automatically. So that's the first thing. All the lead capture pages are done for you. All the follow-up email is done for you. The video sales letter, the bit that does the explaining, is done for you. So, but you know what? There are a lot of things out there that do that. Now, when we got involved again because of all the fantastic changes, I spoke to Paul Stevenson, the owner, and spent about an hour and a half on the phone with him. And that's another thing, by the way, that I will say is important. The owner does respond to support queries himself. He'll speak to you. He's very active with his customer base, right? So I said to him, imagine I was your brother, right? And you started me off. What would you tell me to do? He goes, easy. Go and pick one of these lead capture pages. And he's just, these are all new, right? And he spent a lot of time on these. And he's even saying things like, we were on a call with him, weren't we? And he's saying the text isn't that bright on a mobile, so I'm going to change that, right down to that detail, right? To make them perfect. And then he said, go to, I've got to find my way around here. Get leads. He said, go to get leads. Okay. And then the one you want is this one. He said, 5 leads a day. Just go for that one. 5 leads a day. So we'd heard of these, and we know they are real people. And that's the thing, guys. Often when you buy solo ads, you kind of that list is being shared with a lot of people, right? So people are being bombarded left, right, and center. Oftentimes they're bots. They're not even real people. So you can buy 100 clicks and probably end up with like 50 real people, that actually click your website. And then obviously the opt-in rate, the amount of people that opt in is about 30% in our industry. So for every 100 leads, every 100 clicks you buy, you're going to end up probably with 30 people in an autoresponder, and some of those might be bots anyway. And he said to me, the 5 leads a day. He said they go through all the email follow-up sequences. He's got customers. He doesn't really promote because it's not fair that he promotes. Do you know what I mean? He doesn't want to compete with his own customers because that's not really ethical. It's not really right. But he does see everybody. He can see who opens all the emails. He said they're real people. They open the emails, and his customers make sales from using those 5 leads a day. So we've been using it for our HBA, and yeah, absolutely, they are fantastic. So if you want to know a system for promoting Exitus Elite, and I would suggest $500, $1,000, $2,000. That's all you do, guys. You come to marketing, you select one of the fantastic lead capture pages, right? And then you go and buy 5 leads a day. You will get 5 leads a day every day turn up inside your Gmail, or whatever email account. They'll turn up inside your email, and you send them a text message, is what they recommend. Why? Because everybody sees the text messages, although one of our customers is actually sending emails and they're being opened. So up to you on that front. But if you send an SMS, the open rates are insane compared with email, right? Now, I'm going to let Eric talk about the next bit. Let's suppose one of these people in your email list has a question, right? Because we all love being on the phone with people, don't we? What happens? What can you do there, Eric, if you don't want to do that?
Well, first of all, I told a truth and a non-truth at the same time, okay? And so the truth is we get paid 100% commission. And so what Paul and I, we've been doing this for a while, so we're a little bit more comfortable if people reach out to us or connect with us. And because we do a lot with social media, most of the time we're just connecting and talking with people through social media. Okay. But a lot of our business partners, or a lot of our people that join us in this, they really don't want to have to answer questions. They don't want to have to, be on the phone. It makes them nervous. They just don't want any part of that, right? Um, and sometimes they'll tell us, guys, I love this, but I just don't want to talk to anybody. I don't want to feel like I'm selling anything. And then, they feel like they can't do it. And then we hit them with, well, wait a minute, hold up. You don't have to. Exodus has an option in place where they have a sales team, right? They have a team. So you can click a button inside of Exodus once you join, and you can say, I want the sales team to handle my calls. Okay. So what happens is when you do that, the sales team will take 20% of the commission. So there was the half truth. If you use the sales team, you'll only make 80% instant commission. I think you can live with that if you don't want to talk to anybody. But there'll be an 800 number on your websites, right? If someone happens to reach back out to you and they have some questions, you can direct them to call right into the company and just say, hey, here's the 800, here's the 800 number, call the company, they'll answer all of your questions. And the company will get that person set up, get that person on board, and do everything for you on your behalf. So people absolutely love this, Paul, because one of the two things that people, when they want to make money online or start building, they don't know where to get the leads. We've got that solved. And number two, they don't want to feel like they're salespeople and they don't want to sell anything. And we've got that covered because you have a team that has your back that's going to do that for you. So did that answer that, Paul?
Totally. So what we're looking at here, and the reason why we like Exitus, and I'm just going to go back to the dashboard because I really like the way that counts. So one of the reasons we came back 2026 for Exitus Elite for our review is that it has everything you need and can be totally hands-free. If you're happy to let that 20% go for the call center, well, we get told off the same call center. It's a sales team and it's no hype, it's no pressure. They answer your questions. And to be honest with you, when you answer the people answer the questions, that's how you make sales. It doesn't need to be hypey. I'm trying to think what else there is. I don't think there's anything else to add, really, guys. It's like it's a valuable training package. There are various ways you can come in. And one thing, maybe to close it out, um, some people in the past, they've said, by the way, that's not an income claim or a guarantee, by the way, but we can show you what we did with social media to do that. We use all free marketing. One of the things I think we should maybe just mention is, we've had people sometimes say, well, nobody's going to pay $1,000 or $2,000. If you want to make, I can get my calculator out, do my bit of theatre, right? So if you want to make $1,000 a month, right, you won't at the $2,000 level, you only need to make one sale every other month, right? There's a hotel in the town I live in, and they were offering a job. It was £11.79 an hour for 30 hours a week. Okay, so 11.79 times 30 hours a week. That's £353 70 pence before they take the tax off. £353. 4 weeks in a month, that's 1,414. And I'd already worked it out before. It's actually about $1,900, right? So are you telling me when you think people don't want to pay it, but when you just see that math and you go, hang on a minute, I've got to work 120 hours, right? 120 hours to make £1,414, or I could make one G2000 sale, or one G2000 or two G1000 sales, or just four one a week G500 sales. And we have the sales team that will take the calls for me. Because one of the things for me being in the UK with the time difference, Eric's like 5 hours behind me. Somebody in America is looking at 8 o'clock at night. I'm asleep, hopefully. I'm asleep, right? So now, I have that call center option to be able to just like know that everybody's taken care of. And like I say, the support is really good as well. So it's everything you want really to make a decent income. And by the way, if I want to make $2,000 a month, let's call it, it was $1,900. But if you want to make $2,000 a month and you're selling one of those $27 ebook packages, you need to make 74 sales every single month to make the same. And that's why people do pay for this. As you can see, we've made quite a few sales. So what would you say to anybody looking, Eric? And then we'll close it out. If you're on the fence, what would you do?
I would say, listen, just to reiterate what Paul said, look, $1,000, $2,000, those levels, we think is a lot. It's not. We call it a mid ticket. I mean, it's not. There are systems online that 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 above. Go research any franchise if you wanted to open up your own franchise business. You're talking about huge investments right into that. So when you really look at that, 1,000, 2,000 is not, you know, it's nothing, and I don't want to say that because I know what it's like not to have a lot of money in the bank. So I don't want to say it's nothing, but in the world of a turnkey franchise, which is what you have here, you have a complete turnkey franchise that only our only role and job is to promote and to get eyeballs to the system. That's it. The system does everything. So what would it cost me to build this myself? What would it cost me to build a fully functional, system that does everything that I need it to do to do that? What would it cost me to hire a sales team to come in and follow up and talk to my potential leads? It would cost me a fortune. So with this, I don't have to wait for my money. I just have to go out and promote. There are literally hundreds of millions of people around the world who are looking for ways to generate extra income, side income. Okay. And this is something that, sure, we promote a lower ticket. There are plenty of lower ticket opportunities, turnkey systems out there. The difference is we know there are a lot of people that go, look, that's great. And I love the fact that I can get into like our low ticket, you can earn $28 commission, right? And that's awesome, right? But there are people out there that are like, look, for the same amount of work and the same amount of effort, you're telling me I can earn $1,000 or $2,000 commission? 1000%. That's what we're saying to you. Okay. And the other thing is reach out to us directly, connect with us if you're watching this video, because we will work with you, meaning we will help you get your business off the ground. So if you come into that G1000 or G2000, even the G5, we're going to help you, right? We already do training once a week for our team members. We have a private chat specifically for our team members who are all in, and we consider all in with Exitus, right? So there you go. So we're gonna show you all the ways that we market this also on social media. But we might also, if you reach out to us and you get involved, we might also kick you off with some leads. We don't
So
do that all the
mention
time,
this
but I
video.
promise you, most of the time we will. Go ahead, Paul.
Yeah, mention this video. So when you reach out to us, mention that you've seen this video on YouTube, Exitus Elite Review 2026. Mention that. Okay. We'll see the best option, what's working the best right now. We'll put them, you might be watching this a year from now. We will look at what's working the best and we'll get you set up with some leads one way or another, right? To get your business off the ground. So I think that's fair enough. So hopefully you enjoyed this. Now please leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to all that good stuff, right? Because just over the weekend, I've done a full analysis of what videos to make to get traffic and eyeballs on our Exitus offer. And I've literally just dropped that this morning into our group with our Exitus customers so they get the same and they get that benefit as well. So if you want to join a couple of guys that are just regular guys, like, we're nothing special. We just work it. That's the only difference, right? If you want to join a couple of guys that actually are here to help, you know what to do. Click the link in the description. We'll put our Exitus link in there and we could get started today. Imagine that. Thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.